everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to edit Facebook Reels after posting it in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on your username at the top. You will land on your profile. Now tap on Reel at the top to view the posted reels. Select the one that you want to edit. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the reel. Then tap on Edit Reel. Here you can edit the caption, add hashtags, and change who can view the reel. After you're done editing, tap on Save at the bottom. And that is how to edit Facebook Reel after posting. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.